Oh, it's badass.
Easy.
Badass, dude. So sick.
God, it smells delicious.
It does. What is that? Like a key lime?
Orange dreamsicle. So we're here at Latitude Boats, just doing a demonstration real quick on Quik Sand, Blaze, and Finish R on how it can help anybody in the production environment, especially on tooling gel, where we block sanded with 600 on this and literally stopped and moved to Quik Sand. So let's take you through the process and show you exactly how this can save you time and money without going through a whole bunch of sandpaper. So what Quik Sand is able to do, we went through, we block sanded the imperfections out of this tooling gel. As we all know, tooling gel is extremely harder than your standard gel coat. From there, after those sanding scratches are inputted into the gel, we went directly to a white wool pad using Starke's Fast Pad as well as Quik Sand. We spread it around. We started off about 600 to 800 RPMs with some heavy pressure on your first pass. Then when you start to move and cycle up to your second and third pass, you're gonna increase your RPMs up to 2000. From there, that's gonna leave behind some heavy scratching, just like sandpaper. Then we're gonna also take that same pad, which is a fast pad, flip it on the other side and use Starke's Blaze. Blaze can remove 600 to 800 sanding scratches out of regular gel coat. So what we start off with, again, same thing, heavy pressure, more around 800 RPMs on your first pass. And then when you cycle on your second, third, and fourth pass, you wanna run it at about 2000 RPMs. That will remove all the scratches left behind from Quik Sand, leaving almost a swirl-free finish. We want that extra refinement. We want that gel coat looking its best. And the way that we're gonna do that is implement Finish R using a yellow wool pad. Again, we're using the Starke Fast Pad Quick Connect system. What we're gonna do with this one, simply start it off 1000 RPMs, slight lean on it with medium to heavy pressure. Then when we cycle this out on our second and third pass, we're gonna finish out at around 2000 RPMs. We're gonna lighten our pressure on each pass and make sure that we finish it out flat. Keeping it flat will cut down those swirl marks.
Oh man, that's freaking nuts. So when it comes to what we're looking at right now is we're looking at a liner. This is the floor of the boat. This is a plug. I build 4 boats a month. They take a beating with porosity, which is our main problem.
Yeah.
With this mold, I do have to do maintenance every other certain amount of boats that I pop out. When it comes down to it, it's labor intensive. The tremendous amount of sandpaper I need to use and weeks that go by that I'm not able to build a boat.
Right.
What Ken just demonstrated to me, we went with a 600, we blocked this, we went in with a Quik Sand. Straight after that, he cuts right into the Blaze, and we finished it off with a Finish R. And I'm mad impressed. This saves me time, it saves me money, it saves me so much sandpaper I have to go through. And this is how I'm gonna be quickly speeding up my production when it comes to mold maintenancing, taking care of my molds, protecting my molds. And Ken, I really thank you for coming here and showing me this.
And this speeding up just means you're gonna be able to get your boats quicker to your customer.
Correct,
right?
correct. And quality control as well.
Yeah,
you know, that's the main concern as well. And this solves all of my issues. And you know what Ken says, we literally used one piece of 600 to go across with his hand. With
not even a machine.
And went straight in with a Quik Sand, and it ate it up for lunch. I mean, Ken, what do you think? 3 passes you just did? 4 passes?
Yeah, that's it. It only took a matter of minutes. You can see the big difference in texture as well. But you know, the other beauty of the lineup is what we want to let you guys know is there is no carcinogens in this. They're VOC compliant. I assure you, you look at the other products that are available on the market, a lot of you manufacturers are using, you would be surprised at what flammable, chemical, hazardous stuff that's on the back of that you are allowing your employees to breathe in while they're working. Here is a safer choice. The cool thing, I'll end it with this, smells like orange dreamsicle. This does smell like marijuana, does have cannabis oil in it. And then finish R is pineapple sorbet. So if you're going to use something all day, why not make it pleasant?
100%.
So
Ken, I appreciate it, brother.
yeah,
Thank you for
no
coming
doubt.
here. And this is,
No, I'm glad we could help.
I'm super impressed by the quality and what you guys have been making with your product lines. You know, I've been buying products from you for what, almost 3 years now?
Almost
4
3 years. Yep.
4 years, and just to see you guys progress, come out with all these different compounds, these finishes, these waxes.
Yep.
It's really helping my production team stay consistent, especially you two being in my hometown. You know, Fort Myers.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
mean,
you do help me out.
You got to support a local a little bit.
Hey.
Yeah.
So, but I've been mad impressed with your products. There hasn't been one time in the last 3 years where I've ever called you and said, hey, I've always had this complaint.
Yeah.
Usually the times I call Ken is my guru when it comes to compounds, waxes, sealants, and Ken always comes over here, helps me out, tells me what I'm doing wrong, how I'm able to fix that issue, and also not only that, to speed up production on these boats, to keep getting these boats into the customers' hands.
Yeah, getting in the customer's hands and looking and
beautiful,
as best as
phenomenal.
you can get it. Yeah.
Yes.
So, again, appreciate it. You guys check it out.
Yes, sir.
What we do.
Hey, we don't mess around, baby. We shake and bake.
Shake and bake, baby.